Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andi, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create a successful Facebook business page for your business. Either you are selling wares or you are selling shoes or whatever business that you are doing. So I'm going to teach you how to bring your business online by having a Facebook business page for your business. So if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, it is very important to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will use that to encourage me for giving you content like this. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys, smash the subscribe button right now, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to all, so once I upload a new video on my channel, YouTube will get to notify you that I've uploaded a new video on my channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like so that it will help YouTube to push you to the top. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a successful Facebook business page for your business. And mind you that without having a successful Facebook business page, you won't be allowed to run a paid advertisement. Maybe you want to run a paid ad, or you want to boost your page, or you want to boost your followers. Without having this Facebook business page, you won't be allowed to do that. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a successful Facebook business page for your business or for your internet business. So guys, once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on social media. Search me on Facebook or channel, search me on Twitter, on Instagram. I'm always there, so we can get to connect together. So guys, right now let's dive into the business of the day. So if you don't have a Facebook account, the best thing to do right now is go to Facebook, www.facebook.com, and create a Facebook account. It's totally free, and once you have successfully done that, then what you need to do is move your mouse to this menu. You see menu button, you click on menu. Once you click on menu, then you go to page. Or we have page here, you click on page. So once you click on page, you're going to wait for the page to load. You're going to wait for the page to open. So as you can see that it has opened. So what you're going to do, the first step to do is page name. Give your page name. What name do you want to give to your page? And it is very important that you give your page a name that lines with your business. Either you are selling wares, you are selling watch, you are selling shoes, you are selling cars, you are selling computer. So it is very important you give your page a name that rhymes to your business. If you're into the internet business, so you also give your page a name that line in with your business. So in this page I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to give it Internet Marketing Secret. Internet Marketing Secret. So I've given my page a name, Internet Marketing Secret, and it will be showing right here, as you can see, Internet Marketing Secret. So what category do we want our page to be? You see, it is very important that when you are choosing a category for your page, make sure you choose a category that will also help your page to rank on Facebook, and when people search for those keywords, your page can easily pop up. So it is very important you know that. So in my page I'm going to give marketing. As you can see, giving my page marketing agency. You are allowed to select 3 categories, but mind you that it is only one that is going to appear that visitors are going to see. That is why you see this marketing agency. So I'm also going to choose another one, internet. You can see internet marketing service. Then this designer. So you are allowed to choose 3 categories for your page, but the first one will be the one that is going to appear on your page that visitors are going to see. So at the description here, you are to write about your page. What is your page all about? What is your business all about? So you are going to write about your business, what your business offer, and this description you are allowed to only give 255 characters. The limit is 255 characters, so you should make it brief and short and very informative, and when visitors visit your page, they can easily know what your page is all about, what your business is all about, what you are offering. So in my case, I'm going to write the secret of running internet business online, and how to succeed with online business. So I will leave it this way. As you can see in my description, look at it: the secret of running internet business and how to succeed with online business. So must make sure you put something that people can easily recognize and know what your page is all about. So once you have successfully done that, the next thing to do is click on create page. Click on create page. So you wait for your page to be created. So is to wait for your page to be created. Internet marketing secret created. You can see internet marketing secret was created. Now you can add image or go to your page to add more details. Now our page has been successfully created. The next thing we're going to do is to add image, add profile picture. You are going to add profile picture. It is also important that the profile picture you should be for your business, either for your logo or for your brand. So it is very important when you are adding a picture to add a picture that stands for your business, that represents your business. So in my own case, I'm going to pick any image. Image is loading right now. You see the image has been added and you can see it right here. So next is add cover photo. Cover photo, we need a cover photo right here. So we're going to add a cover photo to our page. So add a cover photo. I'm going to pick this. Yeah, here's our cover photo. As you can see, we have added a cover photo. Then click on save. Click on save. Our page is saving. You are now interacting as internet marketing secret. Wow, boom, you can see that our page has been successfully created. Our page has been successfully created. Now the next thing we are going to do right now is to add a button. Right here we need a button. If you can see, we have not added any button in this particular place. So what you're going to do is click on add a button. We're going to add a button to our page. So when visitor comes to our page, they can click on that button. Either we direct them to our website, we direct them to our app, we direct them to our website, or we direct them to our messenger, whichever way. So we're going to add a button that our visitors, our followers can easily use to get in touch with us. So we are going to click on add a button. so that we can add what we want to add. You see, follows make it easy for people to follow your page. View gift card, start order, book now, call now. If you want people to call you, you can use this, and they will call you to confirm, find information about your business. If you want them to book you now, you can do that. If you want them to contact you through your website, you can do that. If you want them to send you message through messenger, if you want them to send you message through WhatsApp, through email, Lemon, and any means, so you can easily choose anyone that you want. But right now, I'm going to choose contact us. So contact us. Once you have done that, then you add your website. I'm going to add my website. I've added my website. Save. You see, it has been saved. You can see button has been added to your page. So anyone that comes to this page and click on this button is going to go to my website. You can also edit it, but that is how to add your button. So we have successfully done that. Then what next is to do some settings for our page. So you go to edit page information, and click on it to update our page information. So now, username, we have not created the username, our description, our categories and all that is correct. So what you need to do here is put your phone number. My phone number. So you put your phone number, then your WhatsApp number. If you want to link it to your WhatsApp number, you put your WhatsApp number. Select your country here, your country code. You select your country code. If you are in any of this country, all you need to do is select your country code. So but I'm in Nigeria, so this is Nigeria code +234. Select your country code, then you put your phone number. So I'm not putting my phone number here. You put your email address. Here you put your website. You put in your website right there. So address, leave all that. Service area, this is not necessary. If you travel to provide goods or services to your customers, select up to 10 neighborhood cities, so that field is not necessary. Hours, no hours available. So you are always open for your business. If you are always open for your business, you click on always open for business. Then temporary service changes, open with service changes. Temporary, close, operating as usual. You click on operating as usual. Then privacy product, additional information, all that. It does not really need all those. So here you click on this on specify. Then your currency is Nigeria. Then if you want to add your account, either you want to add your Instagram account, you can add it right here. Click here, you add your Instagram account. So you can see is how you can successfully create your Facebook business page for your small business or for your online business. So as you can see, we have successfully created our page. Then we now go back to our page right here. As you can see, internet marketing secret. We go back to our page. can see here is our page. So what is remaining right here is to create a username. You can see that our page does not have a username, so we're going to create a username. Sometimes Facebook won't allow it if it is a new Facebook business page. So if you're just creating it new, they might not allow you to create a username. So after some days you can go ahead to create a username. But if you try it and it work out, that is good. But if you try it did not work, just give it some days and it will work. So here you have to link your WhatsApp number, but I don't have to do that because I have done that already on my other Facebook business page. So that is how to do that. Create your Facebook username here and it will be fine. And if you cannot do it right here, you can also go down to this place. So go down here, page informations, then you can add your Facebook username here. Let me see. Secret marketing. Secret marketing, you can see Facebook even accept it. If you see Facebook does not accept it, say this username is not available, please enter username that is not already taken. So let me see. Let me see information secret. Information. I see. So all this is just trying to tell us that our Facebook page is still new, and as such we won't be allowed to create that username. So you can do that after some days, then you'll be allowed to create a username for your page, so that when people come to your page they can easily find you using that keyword, that username. So you can see that our page has been successfully created. So what you are going to do right now, you can invite your friends. You can see it, invite your friends. You can easily invite your friends to your page right here. All you need to invite them. You can invite all your friends list to your page, and they will be notified once you upload content. So you can invite your friends to your business page. Then how to create content is you come to this place, create a post, then you can create a post on your business page. All you need to do, create a post, how to make money online very fast. See, then you click on post, and your post will be uploaded. You see, our post has been uploaded. Here is it, how to make money very fast. So you can see that our post has been uploaded. So guys, this is how to create a successful Facebook business page. I am sure you learned something from this tutorial right now, and if actually you learned something very helpful to you, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that, because I keep on uploading content like this. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to all. Once I upload a new video again, YouTube will get to notify you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share this video with your friends everywhere. And if you have any question for me concerning this tutorial, leave me a comment at the comment section down below, and I will respond to your comments. So guys, if you enjoy this tutorial right now, go ahead and begin to implement what you have learned, and let's make progress together. So see you again guys, and have a lovely time.